Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jen with Home Yanez Plans, and I am back with another memory spread. For this week, I'll be planning out the week of December 28th through January 3rd in my brand new TSKP Studio planner using this gorgeous kit called Happy New Year from Nikkiplusthree. It is in gold foil, and I am so excited to lay this down. So without any further ado, I'm going to speed you guys up, lay down the base of the spread, and then get back to you with the day to day. Okay, so first things first, I am using this new planner and I am so obsessed. The paper quality is amazing. Stickers laid down beautifully on it. Whiteout looks amazing. This was my very first time doing a plan with me where I didn't use any whiteout. I'm like blown away by how amazing this is. The layout is perfect. Everything about it is just amazing. Planning in it was so easy. So anyways, I'm getting off my little rant here. Starting off on Monday, I wanted to mark that I had my Zoom class. So to mark that, I use a page flag from the kit layered over top of a corner starburst from Honey Ink. Those little shoes are from Paper Shire, and the Zoom class sticker is from my mom. Then I wanted to mark that I had a plan with me go live on this day. This was my Christmas plan with me. So to mark that, I use a box from the kit. That little planner is from Planning World, and the upload script is from my mom. Then I marked that I had a little nap on my couch. I got this new blanket for Christmas from my sister-in-law, and it's like kryptonite, I swear. I fall asleep all the time when I have it on. But to mark that, I use a scallop box from Bloom Paper Studio, a piece of deco from the kit. The little chair with the blanket is from Crafts by Towie. Then I wanted to mark that I had a gym night. So to mark that, I use another label from the kit, and the little workout gear icon is from Crafts by Towie. I love that little icon. I think it's so cute. I'm so glad she came out with that. The little outfit is that's what I wear to the gym. I love it. Then to cap off the night, I wanted to mark that I did some filming. So to mark that, I use another piece of floral deco from the kit. That confetti circle is another layering piece from the kit, and the little camera is again from Crafts by Towie. Jumping over to Tuesday, the first thing I wanted to mark is that I slept in on this day. So I pulled in a box from Panda Bird Design. The little pillow is from Paper Shire, and the sleep in script is from Planner Kate. Then I wanted to mark that I went and did some running on my local track with my dad and my younger brother. So to mark that, I used a half box from the kit. That little workout girl is from the Fox and Pip. The swoosh is from Pink Polka Dot Lily. Then I wanted to mark that me, my husband, and my dad and my brother had a movie night. We actually watched the movie Tenacious D and the Pick of Destiny. It is a Jack Black movie, and it is so funny. Oh my gosh, it had me cracking up. But to mark that, I used a marquee from Rose and Tea Shop, and the movie night script is a custom from my mom. I layered a piece of thick lace washi from Bloom Paper Studio with a label from the kit. Got that trick from Tay of Shantae Plans, and that's to mark that we went to my mom and dad's. And then at the bottom, I don't know if I showed you guys because I don't know if I was in frame, sorry about that, but I did layer a piece of deco and another layering circle to mark that we had Chick-fil-A, and I used a fast food icon from Crest by Towie. Jumping over to Wednesday, the first thing I want to mark is it was my nephew's 3rd birthday. So to mark that, I pull in a Starburst from Honey Inked, a bowstring box from the Giving Girl, some balloons from the GP Studio, and 2 more pieces of deco from the kit. On the next thing I wanted to mark is that I edited a plan with me. So to mark that, I used a half box from the kit, a layering arrow, an editing icon from Crest by Towie, and another swoosh from Pink Polka Dot Lily. Then I did the same thick lace layering technique, and I just marked that my younger brother hung out with us on that day. Then to cap off the column here, I'm just marking my Zoom class the exact same way that I marked it on Monday, with the page flag, the little corner starburst, and the shoes from Papershire. Jumping over to Thursday, this was New Year's Eve, so to mark that, I wanted to make that kind of fancy and special. So I pull in one of those fancy boxes from Sweet Bella XOXO. It's one of her newer volumes, and I thought it matched this kit perfectly. And I layer it with some pieces of deco from the kit, and that New Year's Eve script is from Rose Colored Days. Then I wanted to mark that I had kind of like a pamper and treat yourself night, you know, bringing in the new year just right. So to mark that, I pull in a 3rd box from My Newest Addiction, a piece of floral deco from the Sweet Planner, and the little bathtub icon is from Planning World. Then to mark dinner, me and my husband had this place called Potato Shack, which is this place that like sells these gigantic loaded baked potatoes. Oh, so many variations. So to mark that, I used another quarter box from the kit. And the cutlery icon is from Rose and Tea Shop. Then on this night, I wanted to mark that me and my husband and a couple of our friends watched the first Lord of the Rings movie. I had never seen it. Don't judge me. That's kind of been our thing. So to mark that, I pull in a marquee from Rose and Tea Shop. The movie night script is from my mom, and that flourish is from Meg B Makes. On Friday, this was New Year's Day, so I wanted to mark that kind of similarly to New Year's Eve by pulling in another one of those boxes from Sweet Bella XOXO, and I layered that over top of another piece of floral deco from the Sweet Planner, and the Happy New Year script is from the same holiday sheet as the New Year's Eve script from Rose Colored Days. I slept in on this day because we were up way late the night before, obviously, so I marked that the same way with a Panda Bird design box, that Papershire pillow, and the Sleep In script from Planner Kate. Then I wanted to mark that I had a video go live on this day, so to mark that, I pull in another label from the kit, a layering arrow, and then that YouTube icon is from Crest by Towie. Then on this night, I filmed my Black Friday sticker haul. So to mark that, I pull in a half box from the kit, a piece of floral deco. Those sticker sheets are from Crest by Towie, and the little flourish is from Nettie Designs. On Saturday, okay, so this week was like a really heavy filming week for me. I filmed a lot of videos, but starting off, I did film my functional planner setup on this day, which will be going live this week as well. To mark that, I pull in a half box from the kit, a piece of floral deco. The planner is from Crest by Towie, and the flourish is from Honey Inked. Then I just marked going to the gym the same way I did before, with a label from the kit and that workout gear icon from Crest by Towie. On this night, I did want to mark that this was Rachel and Tay's first Plans Change Planner podcast, IG Lives. So to mark that, I used a scalloped box from Bloom Paper Studio, another piece of floral deco. The little phone is from the Glitter Mama, and the flourish is from Honey Inked. Then I wanted to mark that me and my husband had an IHOP run. So to mark that, I pull in another label from the kit, and that same cutlery from Rose and Tea Shop. Then I wanted to mark that I edited my haul. So to mark that, I pull in another piece of that Starburst, layered with a flag or an arrow from the kit, and the editing icon is from Crest by Towie. Jumping over to Sunday, the first thing I wanted to mark is that me and my husband actually got to go to our church building. It's the first time we've been in pretty much since the pandemic. They are practicing social distancing. Every other row is closed off, and masks are required, and I think they're only allowing a certain number of people in the building at a time. So it was really nice. I layered 2 of the flags from the kit over top of a Starburst from Honey Inked. The bow came with the adjoining bows for this kit, and the little church building is from Crest by Towie. Later on in the day, I wanted to mark that we had some of the missionaries come over and visit with us. So to mark that, I pull in a label from the kit, and the little house is from Rose and Tea Shop. Then I wanted to mark that I cooked dinner. I made Salisbury steak. I know this is like a traditional steak board, but I mean, it's like a version of steak, right? It made sense in my head, and I liked the way the colors looked with this kit. But I layered that board over top of another piece of that Starburst, and the cooked dinner script is from my mom. To cap off the night, I wanted to mark that I did a Hulu binge. Me and my husband have been binging The Mentalist with Simon Baker. I don't know if you guys have ever seen that show, but oh my gosh. We watched it several years ago, and we just started getting back into it. Oh, it's still just as good. But anyways, I use another box from My Newest Addiction. That little TV is from Crest by Towie, and the floral is from the Sweet Planner. Here are the leftovers from this kit, along with a Viv Wiggle. I had so much fun laying down this kit in my new planner. Oh, I'm so excited to continue on. But anyways, I hope everyone had a happy and safe new year. I hope everyone is staying safe and staying well. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!